Cash App Bitcoin withdrawals usually fail because of verification issues, network congestion, incorrect wallet details, or temporary security restrictions placed on your account during crypto risk checks. By the end of this, you'll understand why your Bitcoin withdrawal isn't going through and what you need to fix it. Start with verification problems. Cash App requires full identity verification before allowing Bitcoin withdrawals. If your verification is incomplete or still processing, withdrawals can be blocked even if your balance shows correctly. Now check your Bitcoin wallet address. A single incorrect character in a wallet address will cause the transaction to fail or be permanently lost depending on the destination network. Cash App will often block or reject the transfer if it detects an invalid format before sending. Next, look at network congestion. Bitcoin transactions depend on blockchain network conditions. When the network is busy, withdrawals can take longer to process or appear stuck while they wait to be confirmed. Now focus on security restrictions. Cash App uses automated systems to detect unusual activity on crypto accounts. If your account shows sudden changes in sending patterns or login behavior, withdrawals may be temporarily paused for safety checks. Next, check withdrawal limits and holds. Cash App can apply temporary limits based on account activity, especially for newer or less active accounts. These limits can delay or block Bitcoin withdrawals without a clear error message. Now consider app version and syncing issues. Outdated apps or delayed balance syncing can make it look like a withdrawal failed when it is still processing in the background. Updating the app and refreshing your balance often resolves this. Next, look at blockchain fees and timing. Bitcoin withdrawals require network fees to process transactions. If fees fluctuate, or the system is adjusting routing, the transaction may stay pending longer than expected. Finally, understand how Cash App processes Bitcoin. All crypto withdrawals go through automated compliance and security checks before being broadcast to the blockchain. If anything in your account looks inconsistent, the system can hold the withdrawal until it is reviewed automatically. To sum it up, Cash App Bitcoin withdrawals usually fail because of three things: verification or account restrictions, incorrect or incompatible wallet details, or delays caused by blockchain network conditions. Next step is simple. Make sure your identity is fully verified, double-check your wallet address, and keep your app updated before trying the withdrawal again. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App crypto fixes, Bitcoin guides and simple breakdowns that make blockchain transfers easier to understand.